Hello students, today I am going to cover the topic on alpha beta pruning. And as we all know, alpha beta pruning is the modified version of min-max algorithm, where alpha is the best value for the max player and beta is the best value for min player. Now let us have a tree where you all know the max and the min player. Max would be denoted with this square symbol and min is denoted with this circle symbol, right? And these leaf nodes which carry some values are called static evaluation function value. So my question is that what is the value of root and what would be the nodes which get pruned while using alpha beta pruning? So before starting or before solving this question, we should have taken three important variables: v, which is the value of each node; alpha, which is the value of max player; and beta, which is the value for min player. And we all know alpha maximizes its score, or alpha takes the value of maximum static evaluation function value, and beta always take the minimum static evaluation function value, or beta always minimizes its score. So so let's start. There are some key points. The first key point, that max player will only the value of alpha and min player always the update the value of beta. While backtracking, the nodes value will pass to the upper nodes instead of values of alpha and beta. Means whenever we will go backward and the nodes will get updated towards upwards, so only the value of the nodes will get updated, not the alpha and beta values. Alpha and beta values only pass to the child nodes. So these are the four key points which we need to take care while solving the problem. So let's start. So we should firstly initialize the value of V, alpha and beta. As it is the max player, so while initializing the max player, we will initialize with its minimum value. As alpha is playing for the max player, so if we initialize the value of alpha, we will initialize with its minimum value. And same happens to the beta who is playing for the min player, so initializing the value of beta with its minimum value. So we have started while initializing the nodes values as V, alpha and beta. And we should remember the two rules. The rule 1, search below a min node may be alpha pruned if the value of node is less or equal to the max value for min ancestor, and search below a max node may be beta pruned if value of the node is greater or equal to the min node for some max ancestor. So what exactly, as we all know, we traverse in a tree from left hand side usually. So we will go to the left. Again, we have reached to the min player, so we will initialize its value as it is the min player, so we will initialize the value of the node as its minimum value, which would be plus infinity. As max key, the initial value would be minus infinity, and for min player beta, we will initialize its value with the minimum value as plus infinity. So again, we will go to the left of the node. Again, there is a chance of the max value. We initialize the value in the same manner as V is equal to minus infinity, alpha is equal to minus infinity, and beta is equal to plus infinity. Again, we will go to the left hand side of the child. Again, we have initialized its value as V plus infinity, alpha minus infinity, and beta is plus infinity. So we will go back to the static evaluation function. That is, we will hit with some static evaluation function at the node value. this value will go to backtrack or backwards to this node, as it is the min player and 3 is the best value for min player, as 3 is very less value than plus infinity. So my min player will update its value with 3, and the minimizer, or you can say the beta who is playing for the min player, will also update his value as 3. Now we will go to this side. So again we have stuck with the value of 70. We will take this value backward to its parent node. Again we have seen it is the min player, and already min player has its best value 3, which is very less than 17. So min player won't change its value. So the node of the value would be remain 3 and beta value would be remain 3. Now this value will goes to upwards its parent node. So what exactly would happen? It will update its value as max player will update its value with 3, because 3 is better value for max player than minus infinity, and same happens to the alpha, which is playing for the max player. So again it will update its value with 3. Now I need to check whether I need to go this max player or not. Yani we need to go with this node or not. Is it we will get the solution over here or not? So we need to check the rule. So as it is the search below max node, so I need to check whether V is greater than or equal to beta node or not. So we have checked yes, B is greater or equal to beta node. It is false. So we will go down. Again, we hit with some min player. We will initialize its value. So V is equal to plus infinity, alpha is equal to 3, beta is equal to plus infinity. You can check the key points which I told you, that while traversing from downwards, we will only update the child node's value as alpha or beta. We won't change the value of V node. So again, we have gone to our next node. We have hit with some static evaluation function value. We will update my min value, which is 2. 2 is very good value for a min player, then plus infinity. So again, we will go for this one. So now, again, we need to check whether I need to go to the right child of the node. So we will again check the search below min player. So we have checked V is less or equal to alpha or not. So V actually is less or equal to alpha. So what exactly we will do? We will prune it, and such pruning is called alpha pruning, right? Yani ki there is not necessary to go beyond this child node, because we won't get any solution over there. So you all know alpha beta pruning is the modified version of min max, which basically avoids some unnecessary paths, right? So as you all know, this node's childs are finished. So this value will go to upwards. We will update the value of this max node as V has already its best value, because 3 is better than 2. So we won't change the max player's value, as V would be remain 3 and alpha would be remain 3. Now this value will go to upward. So we all know this is the min player. So obviously 3 is better than plus infinity, and beta's plus infinity's value. Beta is also getting the best value of 3, which is better than the 1 plus infinity. So we will update the value of beta as 3 and the value of the node as 3. So again, we need to check whether I need to go below min or not. So we will again check whether V is less or equal to alpha or not. As V is not equal to not less or equal to alpha. So we will go to the right hand side, that is next chance is the max player. We will initialize its value with v is equal to minus infinity, alpha is equal to minus infinity, and beta is equal to 3, right? So again, I go to the left side, again initialize this min node by this v is equal to plus infinity, alpha is equal to minus infinity, beta is equal to 3 over here. I'm sorry, it's not plus infinity, it is 3. So again, I go to the next static value 15. It has hit to the static value. Again, it will go to this value will go to upwards, that is its parent's child. It will update its value because 15 is the better value than plus infinity for min node also. And for beta, who is playing for the min node, then it will update the value of 15 with replacement of plus infinity because it is the best value for beta. So again, this value, as there is no another child, so this value go to its parent one. It will it is the max node, and max node obviously will get better value than minus infinity. So max this node hai, node value will also get updated with 15, and alpha, as it is playing for the max value or max node, so again alpha will also get updated. So again, I need to check whether v is greater than beta or not for searching below the max node, that is it would be beta proof. So we have the answer is yes, because v 15 is greater or equal to beta, so this will get beta proved. So we won't move to this node, so we will prune it. Again, it has its value, it will move to its parent node backwards, and as this is the min player, and already min player has a very good value which is 3, because min player is always tries to get the minimum value, so 3 is very much lower value than 15. So min's node value will remain 3 and beta value will also remain 3. Now this value will go to its parent node again. Then as it is a max player and 3 is the better value than minus infinity, so v, the node value, will update its value, and alpha, which is as the player for max, also update its value as 3. Now again, I need to check this condition of rule, that is for search below max, which is v greater or equal to beta or not. As we have seen, no, v is not greater or equal to beta, so we will move to the right side of the child, which is the min player. Again, I need to initialize the value of the min, which is v is equal to plus infinity, alpha is equal to 3, beta is equal to plus infinity. Now again, we will move to the left hand side. Again, we initialize the value. Again, I need to go to the min player, we initialize its value. Now I go to this one and I hit with the value 2 as static evaluation function value. This value will go backwards to its parent, and as it is the min player and 2 is the better node compared to plus infinity, so value of the node will get updated by 2, and the value of beta as playing for the min will also get updated. Now I need to check whether I need to go downwards or not. So we will again check the rule, that is search below min. So that is search below min whether v is less or equal to alpha or not. As we have seen, it is yes, v is less or equal to alpha. So what exactly we do? We will prune it, and such pruning is called alpha pruning. So there is no other child. We will move to backward to its parent, and then again these values will get moving towards the max player, and 2 is the better value for max player compared to minus infinity. So this node will update its value as 2, but it won't update alpha won't update its value because 3 is the best value compared to 2. So it won't change its value. Again, I need to check whether search below max, that is v greater or equal to beta or not. So we have seen the answer is no. So again, we will move to downwards. So we will initialize its value by v is equal to plus infinity, alpha is equal to 3, and beta is equal to plus infinity. Again the same, we will go downwards. We hit by some static evaluation function value. This value go backwards, and as 3 is the better value for a min player compared to plus infinity, and update the value of v, value of the node, and the beta value. So it will update it by 3. Again, it doesn't have any child, so it will go to its parent one, that is this one. And again, as it is a max player and 3 is the better value compared to 2, so what exactly my max player will do? Max player will update its value of the node as 3, and already alpha already has the value of 3, so alpha will remain 3. So it will update the value of V as 3, alpha is equal to 3 and beta is equal to plus infinity, right? So again, this value will go to upwards. So while upwards, as this is the chance of the min, and min has the has getting the better value than plus infinity, that is 3. So min will update its value as 3, and obviously beta, which is playing for the min player, also updates its value with 3, so the value will be updated. Now again we will check whether search below min, that is v less or equal to alpha or not. As v is equal to alpha, so what exactly it will do? It will prune it, the whole branch, and we call this pruning as the alpha pruning. So again, there is no other child nodes, so the same value will go upwards, and as this is the max player and already max player has the same value, and there is no updation in the value of max player, so the value would be the same, that is v is equal to 3. So now I have traversed to all the nodes. Now I need to finalize the values of all the nodes. So if I update the values of all the nodes, then as the value of this node is 3, so we will mark it 3. The value of this node is 3, so we will mark it 3. The value of this node is 3, so we will mark it 3. The value of this node is 3, so we will mark it 3. The value of this node is 2, so we will mark it 2. This is proved. The value of this node is 15, so we will mark it 15. The value of this node is also 15, so we will mark it 15. This get proved, so we don't need to worry about this one. Now the value of this node is 3, so we will update with 3. The value of this node is again 3, so we will update it 3. The value of this node is 2, so we will update it 2. The value of this node is 3, so we will update it 3. This is whole alpha prune, so we don't need to take care of the values of 3. So here is the solution, that the question which has been asked earlier, that is there are a lot of updations required. The question is, what is the value of the node, and uh, which nodes get pruned as alpha or beta pruning? So let me go to the answer, final answer of this problem by using alpha beta pruning. So that is we got the answer, that is there are 3 alpha pruned and 1 beta pruned. 3 alpha pruned, 1, 2 and 3, and 1 beta pruned, and the value of the root node is 3 by using the alpha beta pruning. So I'm ending over here, guys. I hope this alpha beta pruning is clear to you. So students, keep watching and listening, and send me your problems if you do have any. Don't hesitate to ask any question.